Every MSP and MSSP customer runs 5 to 10 different tools to exchange sensitive data. Email, file sharing, SFTP, MFT, web forms, APIs, and now AI. That fragmentation is your headache to manage and your biggest untapped opportunity to consolidate. Cybersecurity is the fastest growing revenue category for MSPs. 71% are growing it year over year. AI-enabled attacks jumped 89%. Third-party breaches touched more than 26,000 downstream companies. Customers aren't buying tools anymore. They're buying provable governance. That's the category shift, and it's yours to own. Every tool you add to a customer stack adds cost to yours. Complexity, integration overhead, compliance labor, and when audit season hits, that cost multiplies across every account in your book. There's a better model. Kiteworks is the control plane for secure data exchange. One hardened, single-tenant platform, unifying every channel your customers use. And when you deploy it across your book, you manage one platform, one integration, one relationship, replicated across every customer you serve.
From one MSP/MSSP NOC dashboard, you see everything.
Overall security posture, risk trends, policy compliance, critical risks across all of them. One policy engine, out-of-the-box governance, pre-built compliance reports. Your team delivers audit-ready environments without building the framework from scratch. One hardened appliance. Every deployment mode your customers require. On-premises, private cloud, hybrid, hosted, FedRAMP authorized. You bring the relationship. Kiteworks brings the architecture. Become a Kiteworks MSP or MSSP partner. Visit kiteworks.com/partners.